Greetings everyone. I hope to be getting some shots from this location. Now the sun will be pointing directly on the train cars. And I plan to wait here until 1 or 2 o'clock. Let's see what happens. Well, it looks like I'm going to get one. No idea what it is. So far we have a intermodal, but recently they've been running intermodal in the front and then mixed freight at the back.
Just a huge shout out to new rail fan friends who wish to remain anonymous. We had a great morning, early afternoon, and wish them safe travels on their way back to home. Take care. And also a trivia question. What do the letters CSX stand for? Oh, well, I'll tell you later.
Have to rest my arm here a bit. Yeah.
CSX, as you might guess, definitely the C is for Chessie System or Chesapeake, Ohio. The S is for Seaboard Coastline. And the X, that's for multiplier, more, together, we are greater. And it's like notification. Hope that makes your day, and a quick Google add in some more details.
And a city bus to boot. But that train is gone, so I'm going to go for the day. Best wishes whenever, wherever, whomever you are. Take care.